copy Nigerian accent a little bit, yeah.
Rip Van Winkle. Hey, that name. How did you come about that name, Mr. Rip Van Winkle? Ripped doesn't have anything to do with van.
No worry
and
about
van
it. A Jamaican
doesn't have anything to do
listen,
with Winkle.
Robert, no Jamaican no have no
Normal name.
No normal name. Some of them name Busted, some of them name Crush Bread, some of them name Fire, some of them name Link, some of them name Hatara, some of them name
but those ones are just
some of them name Brookfoot. Some of them name Walk Fast.
Oh my god. Wait, but those ones you're talking about is just one word.
Yes, no.
But this one is three words that doesn't have anything to do with one another.
Mr. Ripper, no. So this
Ripped,
one
Van, Winkle.
Alright, look now. So this one they might go call him Ripper. Mr. Ripper.
Wait. Mr. is a word. Ripped. Van doesn't have anything to do with rip. Anything that could get ripped is soft thing like clothes. Van is a vehicle which is rigid. And Winkle.
Listen now, forget that. She said, my girl is Jamaican. She hit me and say she's going
to mark me up.
Mark me up. You know what that mean? Probably I go
cut him.
Like
yeah.
Well, to be honest, don't put anything past that Jamaican girl, because some of them are crazy and sick in the head.
Oh, former girlfriends.
That's what I was saying to Robert.
Tayyip Hussein.
That's what I was saying to Robert. There is a video going around viral where this man take it.
Not me, one man. Don't point at me.
Take his daughter to the UK, and the wife did not know about her being his daughter. So I was telling her if it was a Jamaican woman, it would have been something else. You know? So, yeah, some Jamaicans are crazy in the head, the woman and the man, you know?
You said Oman is now building city, you know? The city is called Sultan Hatam, where it has towers like Dubai.
Big up.
Big up, Oman. I know you can.
This person,
Tayyip Hussein. Tayyip, assalamu alaikum.
Malikum salam.
Rahul Mevada. Bye. Salib. Take it.
Hold on, you wake. Oh, my baby, wake. My baby, wake. Give me a kiss. Good. I am proud of you. You did not sleep with any dummy. Isn't it?
That's good, OJ.
It's good. You didn't sleep with any dummy. Come, make mommy go start up, baby. I leave you with these people.
Okay.
To entertain them.
Okay. Wait.
It's okay. I will clean him.
Come have a hug before you go to mommy. Yeah.
You want food? See? You want mommy. You want food? Baby want food.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Okay, bye.
See you soon. Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam. Taib. Rahul Mevada soon. Salala in Oman to show the viewers. Yeah, I will Google that place very soon. Yeah. Wink twice if you are in trouble. Anthony Lee. Not yet. How can I Google Salala? Let me see.
I think you said it, mate. Do you know where I got that from?
Yeah. Not yet, Anthony Lee. Let me see. Chat filter, community moderation.